Creating a new packaging recipe on Q30. Step 1. Turn off auto lift. With the machine stopped, tap Settings, then Mechanism Debugging. Tap Lifting Mechanism. Turn off auto lift and docking. Return to main page. Step to select a new recipe slot. Tap Class Number. In the selection screen, select an empty class number slot. Select Target Weight. Choose your target weight. Confirm if the info is correct. Back to main page. Step 3. Copy parameters. Tap Class Number again. Find a similar existing recipe. Input that number in the Copy From box. Tap Copy. Enter password and press Enter. Step 4. Name the new recipe. Tap Equipment Parameters. Tap the box next to class name. Toggle English input using the CH key. Type the name, for example, Jialong 10 kilograms. Press Enter to save. Step 5. Adjust bag dimensions. Measuring and inputting the bag width. Measuring and inputting the bag length. Important. Tap Bag Feeding Analysis now. Tap Filling and Shaping Params. Adjusting bag clamping stroke. Aim for a 35 mm clamping distance. Adjusting bag holding stroke. Ensure it hugs the bag tightly without errors. Adjust conveyor height if needed. Refer to the lifting tutorial for details.